Okay folks, what I want to talk to you about today is I need 110 power. I have 220 volts available, but I need 110 volts. Operate my recovery unit, operate my vacuum pump. So how do I do that? I have no power source nowhere around. I could drag a cord all the way around the other side of the house. Also, think about it. If you're up on top of a roof, a commercial building, and you need 110 volts, here's the best way to do it. I'm going to show you. This is my 120 volt cord. In layman's terms, we call this a cheater cord, a power adapter cord, however you want to call it. So I'm going to come over here. I'm just going to take one leg of the 220 because all I need is 110. Okay, now I'm going to take my ground wire off of my unit. I'm going to hook up both the neutral and ground on this one. Okay, so I've got a good bite on those. So I'm just going to tug and make sure. Now keep in mind this is hot, so I'm going to push this back up a little bit so it don't touch. We're going to be very careful. I'm going to grab, okay, let me show you something here. I'm going to grab a meter real quickly. Now, one thing I want to point out, I actually had the disconnect shut off, of course, so now I have control of the power situation coming in. This is safe. Now I'm going to shut the power on. The fan's not going to come on, nothing will happen here. Set my voltmeter to volts. Okay, now look at it very closely. Okay, now I have 124 volts. Keep in mind this is hot. So now I'm just going to lay this right here. I'm going to grab my plug for my recovery unit. Turn it on. Folks, I just want to tell you, when you get out here and you're doing this particular situation, take the wires off the contactor. Make sure you have control over the power coming in, that you're safe. This thing will work very well for you in a situation where you got to have 110 volts and you got 220 available. If you have any questions, just give us a call at Jones Air Conditioning, 239-596-5855. Go to jonesairconditioning.com. Please share, please subscribe, and please comment. And most of all, please be careful when working with electricity. Do not do this unless you are aware of the dangers involved. Thank you.